What did you just promise Daddy?
I promised Daddy that I wouldn't get bored on the aeroplane.
And how long are we on the aeroplane for?
9 hours.
Hello, Barnaby.
Hello.
How big is the aeroplane?
Really?
How big is really big?
Nearly as big as a small cloud.
As a small cloud?
Like, as a big cloud.
How big is Mummy's car?
I don't know.
How big is a lorry?
Really big?
Well, you know how big our car is? You know how big a lorry is?
Yeah.
The aeroplane is massive.
Oh. Okay. How about that lorry that's the pass?
Do you think it'll be? Yeah, of course. Do you think it'll be bigger than the lorry we just went past, Daddy?
What do you think, Katy?
I think the same size.
Well, we'll see, won't we?
Yeah.
Then bye-bye for now.
Bye bye.